Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to give access to somebody else to your Squarespace website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com, if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where we can find all the websites we own. And what we want to do is open up the website that we want to go ahead and give access for. So go ahead and open it up right here. And after opening it up, it's going to open up in this new main menu where we can take a look at our website settings, products, content, and so on. So guys, what we want to do is look right here at the bottom left part of the screen where we can find the settings icon. We want to go ahead and open up settings. So after opening up your settings, guys, now we can find all the options that we have. So you can see here's our website settings, we have our domains and email, we have our developer tools, and so on. And what we want to take a look at, guys, is permissions and ownership. So you want to open up permissions and ownership, guys, and this is going to open up this menu with only one option that says permissions and ownership, where if you open it up, you can see that now we can get started with inviting contributors to our website. If we do not want to invite contributors or adding basic authors, we can even transfer the whole ownership of the website to somebody else. So you can go ahead and transfer ownership or just invite somebody as a contributor to your website, and then they will have access and will be able to edit it. But yeah, guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.